Our France journey started in Marseille for the Rugby World Cup, South Africa versus Scotland.
A little nonsense is what I need. Now if you wanna get the best of me, got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the
Getting to the World Cup game was easy.
I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So there's the night away, no matter what they say. There's the night away, when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. Pretend I don't know how this night will
Getting back from the World Cup game was insane. We didn't think of pre-booking tickets for our return, so we ended up taking two different trains, having a layover at the one station, getting to the La Ciotat train station, and then ending up with a 3.5 kilometer walk, 12 o'clock at night, with two tired kids.
the best of I'll be the last to stay. There's the night away, no matter what they say. There's the night away, when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. That's the night away, that's the night away, that's the night away.
All in all, this was all worth it. The next day we just took very slow. We packed up at our own pace and we started heading for the next stop. France had one of the more expensive toll road fees, so we ended up going a little bit on the toll roads, and then we decided to go to the roads parallel that's not toll. The only bad part about this is that your driving speed is very slow. It is about 30 kilometers per hour, and it's through little towns, so it takes up a lot of your time and it takes much longer to get to point B. The Rhone is a major river in France and Switzerland, rising in the Alps and flowing west and south through Lake Geneva and southern eastern France before discharging into the Mediterranean Sea. The Rhine and the Rhone rivers are not naturally connected. However, in 1833, the construction of the Rhone-Rhine Canal was completed, linking the two rivers via the Rhone River. So we did not reach Lyon like we wanted to. We decided to stay still 100 kilometers back. The day was about at its end. And we stopped at a little restaurant, had a few beers, and now it's
I
done.
did not drink beer.
Now it's the kids' request for
McDonald's.
supper. So we're doing
McDonald's.
Your destination is on the left.
McDonald's.
Oké, dan weten ze nog niet wat ze gaan bestellen.
Dat zo. Dat is een takeaway food.
On our way into McDonald's, the drive-thru didn't work. Some of the toll road prices include Nice to Marseille was €16.8, €2.20 to get to Marseille in a very short distance, €5.80 Marseille to Lyon, and then we went from Marseille that way we went to Camping La Belle, and that was almost €40. Also, something you don't see in Africa, you put in your money and you rent a bike. Here they are. Nobody's working here. Put in the money, get the bike, go.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and I'm old. Still can't fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
You can't see it nicely now, but there's a big pool on the inside. I'll probably open it tomorrow morning. Hopefully I can show you that. They've got chess set, and then they've got a kiddies play area, jumping castle, they've got table tennis, they've got basketball. There's quite a few things here, so this is definitely one of the nicer campsites that we've stayed at on our trip here in Europe.
Story took its toll. Thought I would have grown. Off the beaten track to become a better man. Sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
€49 camping around Paris.
When everything's said and done.
Doing your laundry, you can average around €9 washing, drying. Palace of Versailles was €36 for the 4 of us, and it's absolutely worth it. It's one of the few places where you're still allowed to take footage and videos and everything inside. Absolutely worth it.
When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
Ja, je kan niet daarvan, ik kom terug. To get a selfie at Arc de Triomphe and a selfie at the Eiffel Tower is all for free. So you don't have to go up in the tower. You can actually do some of the top excursions in France without paying a cent. Even in Notre Dame, that's also free to view from the outside if you don't want to go in. We are sitting in the middle of Paris. We have got no idea which bus to take. So we relied on these ladies to follow them to get us there.
Pizza.
Dat is mooi zo. Dat is een manier als ik naar weer kan zoeken. Nee. Kan je dat zien? Oh, daar. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So nee. Nee, aan vat. Oh, je hand ook niet bij. Het is, daar is zo.
Zit nog vast.
Weet je, en. Jan, kijk er weer uit.
Perfecte tijd. Kijk voor die Eiffeltoren. So we're on the last train for the day. We actually didn't know that the last trains are at 11.
We're almost late. Almost. We had to run through the whole place.
We had to run from where they do the tickets at the top floor. We had 2 minutes to get down through all the ticket checks.
And that was a 5 of them.
Yeah, into the train. We made it like in a few seconds. Last train of the day to Versailles, and we are tired. We walked around a lot. We did a lot.
12 p.m. Oh, wait.
It's time for bed now. 42 euro camping around the Disney area.